morning, dear students. Now we are going to start unit number 4, right? So, today we are going to talk about water matters. What is water matters? That means that water is important in your life, in my life, in our life as human beings. We need water, right? Water. It's necessary for our body. In the previous video, we watched that we have inside us water, right? It says 70 or 75% of our body is with water, right? And also we see what happens if we don't drink too much water. What happens? We can dehydrate, right? We can dehydrate, and that is not good for us, right? Also, we can see that it's necessary the water because that helps our muscles, right? Helps our muscles and also our joints, right? Our joints. Joints. We have in our body many joints, right? Joints in here, joints in here, joints in here. In our body we have muscles and joints, and the water helps them, right? Also, water is important for your digestion, right? For your digestion and more. So right now I'm gonna explain you about the grammar bridge. I'm gonna explain you about the grammar in order to you to not confuse yourself, okay? So it says use the zero conditional, zero conditional to talk about facts that are generally true, right? Okay, they are sure, it's true, it's correct. Okay, so we have in here the structure, and the structure says if, you've already know the meaning of if, right? If the simple present, that is the cause, and then the simple present, that is as a result, right? Remember, if simple present, cause, then comma, and simple present, result. In order to catch the idea, I have an example in here. It says, if you drink, right? If you drink enough water, enough the necessary water, enough water, you help your body in many ways, different ways, okay? You help your body in different ways, many is the same as different, the same. In here, we have the explanation of the simple present in order to you to remember, okay? Sometimes you forget, so in here I'm gonna explain you the simple present. You have to remember that the sentences are gonna divide it in affirmative, negative, and interrogative, right? And also in English we are gonna use some auxiliaries that are gonna help our sentences to be in a period of time. For example, to talk about future, we talk about will and want. But now that we are gonna talk about the simple present, the present, we are not gonna use that. We are gonna use another auxiliary. Okay, so take a look. In here you have the affirmative. You have to remember that we are gonna need the personal pronouns, right? We are gonna need the personal pronouns. And in the personal pronouns, we have I, you, we, they, she, he, and it, right? So, you have it here. I, you, we, they. I all the time divided in two, okay? This is the third person. For that reason, I divided, because this is a special case, okay? In here it says, I, you, we, they, and the verb in base form. Verb in base form. What is that? The verb don't change. I'm gonna show you. In here, if you drink, the same, drink. If you take a look at your list, drink. Drink is in base form. Base form. Why, miss? Because in here you have you. Because it's you talk about the base form. Okay? So, what happened if you want to talk about she, he, or it? Maria, or you can talk about Carlos, or you can talk about Bobby, your dog. What happened? It says the rule that you are gonna add in here the verb s. I'm gonna show you in order to take a look. In here you have the verb s. You are gonna add, miss, what are you saying? In here, for example, drinks, she drink, she drinks, he drinks, it drinks. What happens if it's the verb help? If you are talking about she helps with s at the end. He helps. It helps. Got it? You have to add an s at the end. Okay? So, what happens if it's negative? To say no. To say no, you are gonna use don't or doesn't. Two auxiliaries. Don't or doesn't. When are you gonna use don't? You are gonna use don't if you have I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't, and the verb in base form. Okay? For example, I don't drink. I don't eat pizza. I don't drink chocolate milk, for example. Got it? Okay? What happens if it's she, he, or it? Don't? She don't? No. She doesn't. He doesn't. It doesn't. And take a look at here. The verb in base form. The verb in base form. So, for that reason, you are gonna say, for example, she doesn't drink. He doesn't eat. No s at the end. No le agrego s al final. Got it? Okay? So, you have some exercise in order to do. So, I'm gonna erase this in order to explain you what you have to do. Okay?